news. A new virus been discovered called sugar deprivation disease. It's been proven to cause children to be lethargic and unable to pay attention. Schools are in dire need of help. Advanced Food Products has been hard at work trying to find a cure. Will AFP succeed? Stay tuned for more updates.
This job lets me be creative every day in research and development. We're either coming up with new items and new things for people to try and taste. Sometimes it's just for ourselves to see what's possible. And then other times we're getting new problems from the plant that we need to figure out why.
Really like the passion for food. And I love creating things with food. I love to see what different ways you can cook it, different ways to eat it. I love exploring food. I love eating food. Everything comes out of cans now. But this is how we feed the world.
What brings me joy about my job at AFP is getting a product from lab scale and bring it up plant scale. It's always good to have something that you might develop in a kitchen, seeing it out in the supermarket. So cool about manufacturing is just seeing something that you can create in a kitchen or in a lab, produce at a big scale so we can feed that to thousands of customers and see the satisfaction of somebody finding something that is cool or something unique in the grocery store or in a restaurant.
Can I help you?
Yes, we found the cure to the sugar deprivation disease.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, please help them. I can't do anything with them.
Take the pudding. It will make you feel like your normal self again. We're cured thanks to AFP.